Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Twitch with your PS5. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your Twitch account with your PS5. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is navigate to where it says Settings on the upper right hand corner. Next, click on Users and Accounts. Next, scroll down to where it says Linked Services. So as you can see here, we have a variety of different services. You want to scroll down to where it says Twitch, then click on Link, and then from here, you can either go to this link right over here where it's twitch.tv/activate and then enter that code, or you can scan this QR code. And then afterwards, you want to go ahead and type in this code right here. After you type in that code, just go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts in order to connect Twitch with your PS5. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Twitch account with your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.